Hello,
What's your name?
my name is My name is Mariana García Jiménez.
How do you spell your family name?
De Jiménez.
Where are you from?
I am from Marquetalia Caldas.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
Right now, I studying dove hops only and the morning.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Very interested in their cultures and language.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I spend my free time enjoy with family.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
Socializing with people who speak this language.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
Have better language skill and understand